The Milky Way galaxy is a spiral galaxy which includes our solar system. It is a huge collection of stars, cosmic dust, and gas. When viewed from the top or bottom, it would look like a spinning pinwheel. That's why it's called the spiral galaxy. The Sun, which is just one of the hundreds of stars swirling within the Milky Way, is located 25,000 light years away from the center of the galaxy. Even if you could travel at the speed of light, which is 186,000 miles per second or 300,000 kilometers, it would take about 25,000 years to reach the middle of the Milky Way galaxy. According to the American Museum of Natural History, our galaxy is called the Milky Way after its apparent milky white appearance. The Milky Way galaxy is made up of 90% dark or invisible matter and 10% luminous or visible matter. This large quantity of dark matter causes an invisible halo around it. The Milky Way galaxy is a medium-sized galaxy when compared to other galaxies. It is estimated that there are over 200 billion stars in the Milky Way, their planets, and the massive clouds of cosmic dust and gas fill the interstellar space. The Milky Way, like most large galaxies, has a massive black hole in its center called the Sagittarius A. This black hole has an estimated diameter of 14 million miles. This black hole is dormant and has a mass of 4.3 million times that of the Sun. The approximate diameter of this black hole is 14.6 million miles or 23.5 million kilometers. The Milky Way is located within the local group of galaxies, and it is made up of over 30 galaxies, including Andromeda, Triangulum, and Leo First, to name a few. The Milky Way is currently hurtling towards Andromeda galaxy at 250,000 miles per hour or 400,000 kilometers per hour. According to astroscientists, this crash of cosmic proportions would take another 4 billion years to happen. The Milky Way galaxy is part of the Virgo supercluster. The Milky Way is part of an even larger galactic structure as it is so big. Our close neighbors include the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds and the Andromeda galaxy. Along with 50 other galaxies, the Milky Way and its intermediate surrounding make up a cluster known as the local group. This is still a small fraction to our stellar neighborhood. Looking further, the Milky Way is part of an even larger grouping of galaxies known as the Virgo supercluster. For those who are curious, superclusters are groupings of galaxies on a very large scale that measure in hundreds of millions of light years in diameter. The Virgo supercluster has at least 100 galaxy groups and clusters located within its massive 110 million light years. It is impossible to photograph the Milky Way galaxy as we are located about 26,000 light years from the Milky Way's center. That means any of the photographs that we have seen are of other spiral galaxies or just an artist's imagination of the Milky Way.